we are learning differential equations. Now we learn how to form differential equations. In previous lecture we see the definition of differential equation. पाठीमागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण डेफिनेशन बघितली डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनची. डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन म्हणजे ज्या इक्वेशनमध्ये dy बाय dx असेल किंवा d2y बाय dx2 असेल, दॅट मीन्स फर्स्ट ऑर्डर, सेकंड ऑर्डर, थर्ड ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ज असतील, त्याला आपण डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन असं म्हणतो. दॅट मीन्स एन इक्वेशन involving differential coefficient is called as a differential equation. Also we learn order and degree of differential equation. Order and degree of highest order derivative involving in the equation is called as order and degree of that equation. म्हणजे ऑर्डर आणि डिग्री लिहित असताना आपण त्या इक्वेशनमधील हायेस्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह बघतो, विच इज फ्री फ्रॉम रॅडिकल साइन अँड फ्रॅक्शन पॉवर, की ज्यामध्ये रॅडिकल साइन किंवा फ्रॅक्शन पॉवर असतील तर ते आपण रिमूव्ह करतो आणि त्याच्यानंतर त्याची आपण ऑर्डर आणि डिग्री लिहितो. नाउ इन दिस लेक्चर वी सी हाऊ टू फॉर्म डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन फ्रॉम गिवन रिलेशन ऑफ वाय. नाउ सी दिस, व्हॉट इज वर्किंग रूल? सो दिस इज वर्किंग रूल. First step, we have to determine the number of arbitrary constant in the equation. That means if you see this equation, then this a and b, these are arbitrary constants. Suppose number of arbitrary constants are n, then differentiate given equation n times. Suppose there, if you find number of arbitrary constant n, therefore differentiate given equation n times, so that we eliminate the arbitrary constant. Now we see this example, form differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constants from the equation. That means here these a and b are arbitrary constants. So number of arbitrary constants are 2, therefore we differentiate this equation 2 times and then eliminate values of a and b, so that we get required differential equation. Now see how to solve, how to obtain the differential equation from this given relation. Now see this example, form differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants. Y is equal to a e raised to 2x plus b e raised to minus 2x. Call this equation number 1. Let y is equal to a e raised to 2x plus b e raised to 2x. You call this equation 2. Now here arbitrary constants are a and b. These a and b, these are said to be arbitrary constants. Therefore number of arbitrary constant is equal to 2. Therefore differentiate equation 1 2 times. To form differential equation, number of arbitrary constant are 2, therefore differentiate given equation 2 times. So see, take first order derivative, say differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So derivative of this d by dx of y is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of a e raised to 2x plus b e raised to minus 2x. Now this is a sum of two terms. या दोन टर्म्स बेरीज इज ए समेशन है. सो यूज दिस रूल, डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ यू प्लस वी इज इक्वल टू डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ यू प्लस डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ वी. देयरफॉर वी गेट डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ ए ई रेज टू 2x प्लस डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ बी ई रेज टू minus 2x. Again see these derivatives, these a and b are constant. So derivative of ku constant into function k outside derivative of u. That means take this a outside the operator. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to a into d by dx of e raised to 2x plus this is b is also constant, हा b constant आहे. Take this outside the operator, b into d by dx of e raised to minus 2x. Now here is a e raised to 2x. We know derivative of e raised to x, which is equal to e raised to x. Now instead of this x, here is 2x, call this as u. म्हणजे x ऐवजी 2x आहे, त्याला u म्हणा. दॅट मीन्स दिस इज कंपोजिट फंक्शन अँड यूज अ चेन रूल टू फाइंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ e raised to x. That means a into derivative of u e raised to u means 2x into d by dx of 2x plus b into, similarly here, e raised to minus 2x into d by dx of minus 2x, which is equal to a e raised to 2x. Now write derivative of 2x, 2 constant as it is, derivative of x is 1 plus b into e raised to minus 2x, this minus 2 constant as it is, and derivative of x is 1. That means we get this value 2a e raised to 2x plus minus, take product, plus into minus, minus 2b e raised to minus 2x. So this is value of dy by dx. We call this equation number 1. Now since there are two arbitrary constant, we have to differentiate given equation 2 times. So this is 1 time dy by dx. Again we differentiate to obtain dy by dx. We say here again differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So derivative of this d by dx of dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 2a e raised to 2x, right hand side, minus 2b e raised to minus 2x. Again there is a subtraction, so take derivative of each term u and v. Therefore, d by dx of dy by dx, this is equal to d2y by dx2, which is equal to, now take derivative over each term, that means d by dx of 2ae raised to 2x minus d by dx of 2b e raised to minus 2x. Now this is constant, 2a is constant, 2b is constant, take them outside the derivative, that is 2a into d by dx of e raised to 2x minus this 2b is constant, d by dx of e raised to minus 2x. Now to find derivative of e raised to 2x, again this is a composite, d by dx of e raised to x is a e raised to x, but instead of x here is 2u, 2x, call this as u. म्हणजे x च्या ऐवजी इथे 2x आहे, त्याला u म्हणा. That means this is a composite function, so use chain rule of differentiation, so which is equal to 2a, what is chain rule, derivative of u e raised to u means 2x into d by dx of u means 2x. This is called as a chain rule. Minus 2b, similarly here e raised to, this is nothing but u, e raised to minus 2x into d by dx of minus 2x. Therefore, d2y by dx2 is equal to 2a e raised to 2x, 2a e raised to 2x into 2 d by dx of this 2x 2 is constant outside, derivative of x is 1, d by dx of 2x is 2 minus 2b d by dx sorry 2b e raised to minus 2x into minus 2. So which is equal to, take multiplication, 2 into 2 4a e raised to x, this minus minus, plus 4b e raised to minus 2x. Now this 4 is common, 4 is common, take it outside, 4 outside, inside a e raised to 2x plus b e raised to minus 2x. So this is value of d2y by dx2. You call this equation number 3. Now this a e raised to 2x plus b e raised to 2x, this is nothing but y. So from 1 d2y by dx2 is equal to 4. This value is nothing but y, 4y, or d2y by dx2 minus 4y, change side of this 4y, is equal to 0. This is required differential equation from given relation of y. Now see this example number 2. Form differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constants if y is equal to a cos 3x plus b sin of 3x. Now see how to solve. Solution of this, call given equation as 1. Let y is equal to a cos of 3x plus b sin of 3x. Call this equation number 1. Now these a and b are arbitrary constants. So here arbitrary constants are a and b. So number of arbitrary constant, त्याची संख्या, number of arbitrary constant is equal to 2. Now to obtain or form differential equation, differentiate equation 1 2 times. Since there are 2 arbitrary constant, number of arbitrary constant 2, differentiate this equation 2 times. So first of all, obtain first order derivative, differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So therefore d by dx of left hand side, that is y, which is equal to d by dx of right hand side, a cos of 3x plus b sin of 3x. Now this is sum of two terms. So use this formula, d by dx of u plus v is equal to d by dx of u plus d by dx of v. That means addition rule of differentiation, which is equal to d by dx of a cos of 3x plus d by dx of b sin of 3x. Again this a is constant, b is constant, take them outside the operator, that means use this d by dx of ku is a k outside, constant into function, constant outside, derivative of u. Therefore dy by dx is equal to a outside d by dx of cos 3x plus b outside d by dx of sin 3x. Now use composite function rule, d by dx of cos x is sin x minus sin x and d by dx of sin x is cos x. Now instead of x, here is a 3x, x ऐवजी तो 3x है, call this as u, means this is composite function. Similarly instead of x, here is a 3x, call this as u. So use chain rule of differentiation, which is equal to a into, what is chain rule? चेन रूल कसा आहे पहा, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ कॉस यू इज मायनस साइन यू, यू मीन्स 3x into d by dx of this u, this is called as a chain rule, plus this b as it is, derivative of sin u cos u means cos 3x into d by dx of u means 3x. Now write derivative of 3x, this is d by dx of 3x is equal to 3 into d by dx of x, 3, and derivative of x is 1, that means we get here 3. So value of this is 3. So which is equal to minus into a, this will be minus a, derivative of 3x is a 3 minus 3a sin 3x plus derivative of 3x is 3b cos of 3x. So we call this equation number 1. So this is value of dy by dx. Okay, this is first order derivative, but we have to differentiate it 2 times because number of arbitrary constants are 2. So therefore we say again differentiate with respect to x. So this is d by dx of dy by dx is equal to d by dx of this right hand side minus 3a sin 3x plus 3b cos 3x. Therefore, d by dx of dy by dx, this is nothing but d2y by dx2, which is equal to, now this is sum of 2 terms. So operate this d by dx over each term using addition rule. So therefore this is d by dx of minus 3a sin 3x plus d by dx 3b cos of 3x. Now this minus 3a and this 3b are constant, take them outside the operator, that means d by dx minus 3a d by dx of sin 3x plus 3b outside d by dx of cos 3x. As this d by dx of ku is k into d by dx of u, that means constant, take it outside the operator d by dx. Now write derivative of sin 3x and derivative of cos 3x. Now derivative of sin 3x, d by dx of sin x is cos x and d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. So therefore this will be minus 3a d by dx of sin 3x, which is equal to derivative of sin x cos x, but instead of x here is a 3x, त्याला u म्हणा, this also 3x, call this as u. U means this is a composite function, so derivative of sin u is a cos u, u means 3x into d by dx of this u, u means 3x. So this is called as a chain rule, plus 3b derivative of cos u minus sin u, u means 3x into d by dx of 3x. Now we write derivative of 3x, d by dx of 3x, 3 outside, d by dx of x. So therefore this d2y by dx2 is equal to minus 3a cos of 3x into derivative of 3x is 3, derivative of this 3x is 3 plus minus or plus 3 into 3b into minus sin 3x into derivative of this 3, x is 3. So if we simplify this, then we get minus 3 into 3, this will be minus 9a cos of 3x. This plus minus minus 3 into 3, that is 9b sin of 3x. So which is equal to, take this minus 9 outside the common, take it common. So this is minus 9 outside, common out, a into cos 3x plus b into sin 3x. Now this a cos 3x plus b sin 3x, this is nothing but a cos 3x plus b sin 3x, which is y. So which is equal to minus 9 into y from equation 1. So what we get, d2y by dx2 is equal to minus 9y. Therefore d2y by dx2 plus 9y, change side of minus 9y, is equal to 0. This is required differential equation which is formed from given relation of y. See this next example. Form differential equation by limiting arbitrary constant if y square is equal to 4ax. See the solution. This is y square is equal to 4ax. You call this is equation number 1. Therefore, which is the arbitrary constant? Arbitrary constant is here a. This a is nothing but arbitrary constant. Now, number of arbitrary constant is equal to 1. Therefore, to form differential equation, differentiate equation 1 time only. See this. Since there is only one arbitrary constant, differentiate given equation only one times. So we say here differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So for derivative of this y square, that means d by dx of y square is equal to d by dx of 4ax. This is y square. We know d by dx of x square, which is equal to 2x. This 4a is a constant. So use here constant into function. Derivative of ku is equal to k into d by dx of u. That means this constant outside the operator. D by dx of x square, but instead of this x, here is a y. So call this as u. So derivative of x square is 2x. U square will be 2u. That means derivative of y square is 2y into derivative of u, that is y, dy by dx. So this is called as a chain rule of differentiation, which is equal to this 4a is outside d by dx of x. Now this is standard d by dx of x is 1. So this is 2y dy by dx is equal to 4a into 1. Now we have to eliminate this. This a is arbitrary constant. We have to eliminate because it is asked to eliminate arbitrary constant. So we call this equation number 2. From equation 1, y square is equal to 4ax. So what is value of 4a? Y square upon x is equal to 4a. Therefore, put this value of 4a here in equation 2. Therefore, equation 2 becomes 2y dy by dx is equal to 4a. What is 4a? Y square upon x. So therefore this is 2y, change side of this 2y, therefore this is dy by dx is equal to y square upon x into divided by 1 upon 2y. So here y square and this 1y will get cancelled. So y square upon y is y only. This is y upon 2 into x, 2x. So this is dy by dx, or take this to left hand side, dy by dx minus y upon 2x is equal to 0. This is required differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant. See this next example number 4. Verify that y is equal to log x is a solution of differential equation. That means solution is given and differential equation given. We have to verify this. Now for that, see how to verify. Let y is equal to log x. आता हे इक्वेशन व्हेरीफाय करण्यासाठी कोणत्या किमती लागतात? dy by dx and d2y by dx2. So calculate these two values, dy by dx, d2y by dx2 from 1. So say 1, y is equal to log x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Therefore derivative of y, d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of log x. Now this is standard derivative. One derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So this is value of dy by dx. Call this is equation 2. Now again differentiate 2 with respect to x. Take derivative of left hand side. That means this is like this, dy by dx of dy by dx is equal to d by dx of right hand side, that is 1 upon x. Now d by dx of dy by dx is a second order derivative. We write like this, d2y by dx2, which is equal to derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. We call this equation number 3. Now consider left hand side of this equation. LHS is equal to x d2y by dx2 plus dy by dx, which is equal to x into d2y by dx2. This d2y by dx2 is minus 1 upon x square plus dy by dx. This is 1 upon x. X upon x square, 1x will get cancelled. X upon x square, 1x will get cancelled, which is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x. These are the like terms with opposite sign, they are also get cancelled, which is equal to 0, which is equal to right hand side. So what we get? LHS x d2y by dx2 plus dy by dx is equal to 0, is equal to RHS. So we say here hence verified. Now see this example, how to form differential equation. It is asked to form differential equation by eliminating, that means removing arbitrary constants from this equation. So call this is one solution of this. Let y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x. You call this as equation number 1. This a and b, these are arbitrary constants. So here these are arbitrary constant are a and b. Number of arbitrary constant is equal to 2. So differentiate equation 1 2 times. Differentiate equation 1 2 times, since these are two arbitrary constants. So therefore, step first, differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So d by dx of this y is equal to d by dx of this right hand side, a cos x plus b sin x. Now this is sum of two terms, so use addition rule. D by dx of u plus v, d by dx of u plus d by dx of v. Take derivative of each term. So therefore, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of a cos x plus d by dx of b sin x. Now this a and b, again this a and b are constant, that means use this rule, d by dx of ku, k into d by dx of u. Take constant outside, so which is equal to a into d by dx of cos x plus b outside d by dx of sin x. Now this derivative of cos x and derivative of sin x, these are the standard. A into derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus b into derivative of sin x is cos x. So we get minus a sin x plus b cos x. This is value of dy by dx. Call this equation number 2. Now since we have to differentiate it 2 times, so in step number 2, again differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So this is d by dx of dy by dx, derivative of left hand side, is equal to d by dx of this right hand side minus a sin x plus b cos x. D by dx of dy by dx, this is nothing but second order derivative, d2y by dx2. This is second order derivative, is equal to, this is sum of two terms, a minus a sin x plus b cos x. Operate this derivative over each term, first and second. So this will be like this, d by dx of minus a sin x plus d by dx of b cos x. Again this a and b, these are constant, take outside the operator, या d by dx से बाहर गया, minus a d by dx of sin x plus take b outside d by dx of cos x. Now derivative of sin x and derivative of cos x, these are standard, minus a derivative of sin x is cos x plus b into derivative of this cos x is minus sin x. Therefore, this is d2y by dx2 is equal to minus a cos x, this plus into minus b sin x. So take minus sign outside, minus a cos x plus b sin x. So you call this equation number say 3. Now this a cos sin x plus b sin x, a cos x plus b sin x, this is nothing but y. So therefore, this is d2y by dx2 is equal to minus y from equation 1. Now take this minus y to the left side, d2y by dx2 plus y is equal to 0, which is differential equation free from any arbitrary constant. याच्यामध्ये कोणताही arbitrary constant नाही. So which is required differential equation which is formed from this given relation of y.